Yo, welcome to another edition of Bike Hacks here at Fusion Workshop. Today I want to show you guys how to take an inner tube that's too big, like this 24-inch, and how to put that into a 20-inch wheel properly. You know, this is useful tips. Say you're in a pinch and you need to, get riding and all you have is that tube. So what you do is you grab the tube and you pinch it with your fingers like this, and then you are simply going to tuck the tube into itself. It's a little bit tricky, but once you get it started with your finger, start tucking the tube into itself. Make sure it's nice and neat with no wrinkles or anything like that. Then you take a long shaft of some sort, an L key, and you put it in there, and then you just slide it over itself, just like that. So I've got a good 4 inches in there. So on average, if this was 24 and I want to subtract the 20, just overlap it here 4 inches in total, and it should be good. When you inflate the tube like this, it will not blow up. And it will actually hold, and it won't give you any weird bubbles in your tire. Trying to shove a tube that's too big into your bike any other way will cause weird bubbles and weird stuff to happen. So, but in a pinch, this will help. If it's all you got, put it right into your bike tire. Let's see. Boom. 24-inch and 20-inch. So let's put it on the tire, see what it looks like. So there it is on the bike. You can see no funny warpness, no flat spots anywhere, just solid all around. So it's not a good solution if for a permanent repair. But if you're trying to ride out somewhere, and all you happen to have is a 26-inch tube and you got a 24-inch wheel, that's the way to do it. And I've put one in the bike just to test this out to see how long it would go for, and on average it stayed indefinitely. So I don't think it would go flat even from being installed that way. And there's no funniness to the tire. It's nice and solid all the way around. So yeah, hope that helps you guys one day when you're in a pinch. And check out our shop's website, fusionworkshop.com. Thank you.